All right, let's take a look at this. This is an ionic compound between a metal and a bunch of nonmetals. And when you have more than two nonmetals bound to each other, that's called a polyatomic ion. Remember your chart, there's a whole bunch of them. Nitrate, sulfate, any of the eights and ites are usually polyatomic. But let's remind ourselves what that means. This compound here is made up of calcium and NO3, which according to the chart is nitrate. So let's break it apart so that we can study it and name it. Calcium 2+, remember it gives off its 2 electrons so that it can have noble gas configuration. And nitrate, you just treat it like one thing, NO3-. And there's 2 of them, NO3-. I'm just going to circle these just so we don't get confused. So there's one of these bound to 2 of these ionically. And to name it, it's the same rule as before. You name the ions. So this one here is calcium. And this is nitrate. So you just call this calcium nitrate. Notice we don't say calcium dinitrate because, you know, chemists are lazy and we're just going to say, well, everyone knows that calcium has 2+, so there has to be 2. Yeah, chemists, you gotta love them. Another one that you might run into is something like this, NH4, and let's do NH4NO3. Wow, they're all nonmetals, so it's gonna be covalent. Well, not so fast. NH4 is the only non-metal positive cation. So remember, cats are positive and anions are negative, even though cats are not always positive. So here we go. Let's break this apart. Let's see what this is. This, looking over here, look, there it is, ammonium. Well, there's also hydronium. That's its friend, but let's break this apart. NH4+ and nitrate from before, NO3-, and they come together to make NH4NO3. Now remember, if there were 2 of these, say with calcium, then you would put parentheses around it, just as a quick reminder. Same rule for naming though, just name the ions, and this is an ionic compound. So this is ammonium and nitrate. Once again, notice I didn't say ammonium mononitrate or any of that silliness. All right, hope this helps. Bye.